are some hard truths that people refuse to accept about the skill set of digital marketing. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Nicholas Francis, aka Mr. Millionaire Insight. I help people establish, grow, and monetize their social media platforms. Monetization equals money, so if you want to do that on this platform or any other, make sure you follow me and turn on post notifications so you know when I go live and when I post videos just like this. Warning, this will be a deeper dive. If you don't have time right now, save this video right here and then make sure you come back later, because you're going to absolutely need every drop of this if you want to be successful in the digital marketing, digital franchising space. The biggest one that we'll start with is the fact that digital marketing, wait for it, is a skill. It is not a course, program, asset, digital PLR, whitelisted product, whatever it is you want to throw in that box right there. It is all of them. Stop referring to it as one particular thing or another. I'm getting out of digital marketing. I'm getting out of digital marketing, and I'm going to become an Amazon influencer. Really? You are still in digital marketing, sweetheart. You are still in digital marketing, boss. Oh, well, I just want to focus on TikTok Shop, and I just want to sell TikTok Shop products and be a TikTok Shop affiliate. Great. Awesome. Do that. You're still in digital marketing. Here's the thing. Digital marketing is marketing online. You see the platform you're on right now? You're trying to get somebody to do something that you need them to do, which is why you created the video. It's called marketing. And I don't know how many times I gotta say that, but I will keep saying it until people actually start to get it. Because the sooner you get that, the sooner you will put the thing holding you back to bed. Next, the thing that people misjudge in this space is that they think they're after the money. Yes, don't get me wrong, you got into this space to make money, but that is not the main reason why you are creating videos. You are creating videos, or you're creating digital assets that promote something to create, wait for it, connection. Connection being, it could be a laugh, it could be being inspired, it could be a moment of clarity, or it could be them being shown by you, that they can actually achieve something, or they can actually benefit from something. This is what people straight up ignore in this space. All right, so here's a pretty large one. How to create value. First, you got to understand what value is. What does value mean in the online space? Think about something. Why, when you're booking a hotel or booking anything, you have the right price, you have the right product, you're pretty much on your way, but there's something else that you need. You need commonality, meaning you go to the reviews because you want to see real people, average and ordinary people. You want to know what they think about the thing that you're about to buy or about to book. The biggest thing that people miss and people straight up ignore and brings the comments of, well, Nick, I don't know what to say. I don't know what kind of content to create. Here is what you've missed. You need to tell people about what you have been going through since you bought whatever it is you bought. I don't care if it's day 1 or I don't care if it's day 60. You had a story before you bought whatever it is you bought. You had a reason why you bought whatever it is you bought. And you've obviously gained something, whether you realize it or not. So take this. Say this is day 1 that I bought this thing that's supposed to help me make money online. This is what I would talk about. I am so excited. for what I'm about to learn, because they're going to teach me how to become more valuable, more relatable, and more consistent. I don't know what in the world that means, but I know that I spent the last 15 years being up at 3 o'clock in the morning trying to figure out what to do to make money online, because I knew it was true. I knew real people were making money. I just didn't know how. I needed the guidance, and now, thank you, Jesus, I got that guidance. If you want to learn how I'm learning this, how I'm going to be making an income by learning the most valuable skill set in human history, type ready in the comments, and I would love to get you started in what I am learning and what changed my life. See how that worked? I didn't talk about the money that I've made because I didn't make a sale. I didn't talk about all this other stuff you hear other people talk about. What did I share? My experience. It is the reason why we buy things. This is the science behind marketing. People need to see a bit of themselves in you. And by sharing that story, people get to see that, hey, that person was where I am. And because they were where I am and they're not here anymore, I need to know exactly what they did so I can get where they are. If you've watched my live streams, you've heard me say that. I don't teach people how to get to where I want to go, which is a pretty large goal that if I told you, your eyes would immediately call BS, right? This is why I tell people I get people to where I am. And where I am is I am a stay-at-home father. I am an entrepreneur, husband, business owner, disabled person that's figured out a few things to learn how to make money in my sleep. If you want to learn that, you can come find out exactly what I did. That's why I started an academy. But here's the last thing. The last thing is that people assume on this platform and others that all people need to do is to see that it's possible, that it can be done. Can I submit to you, friends, that this is not about showing people that it can be done, that you can make a lot of money in the digital marketing and digital franchising industry. Bonus truth, I can't guarantee you income in a certain time frame because it's up to you, it's up to your work ethic. Because it's how big businesses like Walmart and Sam's Club and McDonald's and all these other businesses, Nike, are using those skills in order to make billions of dollars, because they know people are online. It's not showing people that people can make money. We're here to show people that they can make money, because they're not thinking, oh, is it possible that I can make money selling what it is I have? They already know that. What they're struggling with is, can I do this? Do I have what it takes? It's a mindset thing. And how you show people exactly how they can is by showing them how you are. If you show people where to get from where they are currently to where you are now, one, that'll help you not appear like a guru, and it has you appearing like someone that's their friend, someone that can be trusted, someone that's on their level that can help them, someone that is really out here to show your journey. And that's simply what you're here to do. You're not showing people how to make $100K in a month. No, you're showing people where you are, and all you're doing is you're showing them where you were, where you are, what's going on with you, how things have changed, and how you're willing to help them. And you rinse and repeat every single day. You create 3 short videos, 2 to 5 minutes, doing that every day, and you can make a difference. If you want to learn more, type The Hunted in the comments, and I'd love to share it with you.